Alright, this is a little bit different video than I normally shoot. It's kind of a review video, kind of not. Let me give you a bit of a backstory. About 6 months ago, I was contacted by a company that sells, how do we put it, inexpensive products. They said, hey, would you like to do some reviews of some machining equipment on your channel? Not something I'm really interested in, and honestly, I kind of thought it was spam mail, so I just ignored it and didn't pay much attention to it. I kept getting these emails. Eventually we replied, and I kind of spoke with them. We talked back and forth, and I agreed to review some machining products that would be pertinent to the stuff I do. And then months passed. It kind of skipped my mind, and then a big block of steel showed up at the post office for me, and I realized it was this R8 collet set. It's a standard R8 collet set for my vertical mill. I shot a unboxing video, I shot a video of me using it, I shot some video of me doing like run-out testing and all kinds of jazz, basically to prove that a budget price collet set functions basically the same as my other budget collets that I buy from my local machine shop. Ooh, like groundbreaking news, right? Like my local machine shop probably buys offshore, like for their lower budget stuff aimed at, hobbyists like me. They probably buy offshore equipment, bring it in, rebrand it, and sell it. It's the way that I get a lower price and it still functions well. I mean, this video isn't targeted at people using big VMCs. You're not going to be running, whatever these end up costing, like $4 or, yeah, less than that, $3, $4. You're not going to run those like cheap collets in your giant machines. You can run decent equipment because you have a lot invested into it. When you're running a few $1,000 little manual mill, I feel like there's some areas where you can get by with spending less money or put that money to better use. For instance, this collet set seems to function just fine. I have like my half-inch collet. This one's $4. The one I normally use, I think, is like $20. I don't notice a difference with it, especially with manual machining. No real difference. $2 end mill versus $20 end mill, massive difference. So if you can save a little bit of money buying a cheaper collet set like this and put that towards end mills, that's great. Or if you find another, facet, whatever, measuring tools or whatever works, I think that's a better kind of bang for your buck kind of game. So I don't know. That's the premise of this video. I was trying to keep it somewhat interesting. Still trying to, they're so boring. No one wants to watch a review video on collet. So I'm just trying to put something into it where people will at least find some interest into it. I would like, especially when I was starting out, I would like to have known, hey, can I buy that eBay collet set that includes everything so I don't have to spend the $200-300 to get my whole collet set? And yes, in my experience so far with this, seems to be fine. Seems to be working just fine. If it maims me or burns my house down or something, I will definitely post a video when I get a new phone and a new house. But until that point, I'm going to keep using them in all my videos going forward. I'm going to keep using these, and we'll see how they function. So far, so good. So far, so good. So, I don't know. That's all I can say about that. I'm probably not going to do many more of these videos, especially considering this is probably not shining the highest or the greatest light on this product they sent me. But just like in life, you get what you pay for, right? You always get what you pay for. I don't really care what you're buying. You get what you pay for. So don't expect the world, and something like this will function for you just fine. Anyways, till next time, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye-bye.